Hi there, students. Dilatory. Dilatory. Okay, this is an adjective. We can have the adverb dilatorily. Okay, if you describe somebody as dilatory, you're saying they're slow. They're likely to cause delay. So, for example, I've noticed with the petrol companies, when the price of oil goes up, they immediately put up petrol prices. But when the price of oil comes down again, they're very dilatory in reducing the price. Okay, so to be slow. The authorities have been very dilatory in dealing with this problem. Or the banks. Yeah, the banks are always very ready to increase interest rates, but they're much more dilatory about reducing them again. So dilatory, this is talking about delaying. This is talking about wasting time. So perhaps you've seen this dilatory tactics at the end of a match where one team is leading and they're going to win everything if they if the score stays as it is. So they waste time. They try dilatory tactics, dilatory behavior. Or if you're very slow to act, then that is very dilatory. They should have acted immediately. They shouldn't have been so dilatory in appointing somebody who was somebody in charge of this. And then they resorted to dilatory tactics. Yeah, they're stalling for time. Yeah, they're playing out the time. They're trying to delay things as much as possible. So I think this very often happens with court cases. If somebody is guilty and it looks like they're going to have problems, they are as dilatory as possible. They don't want to bite the bullet, but they want to draw out the whole thing as long as possible. Or there are some people that are very dilatory in paying their bills. Like that, they've got enough money to get by. So dilatory tactics, delaying tactics, putting off, lingering, tending to delay, tending to waste time. So yeah, as I was very dilatory walking to school because I didn't really want to get to school. I was happy on my way there. Something that's dilatory is intended to delay, something that's tardy, laggard, something that's sluggish and slow, a delaying tactic. Okay, if the boss sacked a dilatory worker, the government has been very dilatory in criticizing the Prime Minister's behavior. The government has been very dilatory in dealing with the problem of unemployment. He drove in a dilatory way because he didn't really want to get there soon. He drove dilatorily. Okay, so I think diplomacy is a very dilatory thing. It takes place at a very slow rate. So dealing with problems, maybe we are rather dilatory when we have to deal with problems as well. Okay, so caused or intended to cause delay, or characterized by slowness, characterized by doing things in a very slow way. They did their work in a very dilatory fashion. Yeah, snail-like, procrastinating, time wasting. Yeah, Sometimes I've been accused of being rather dilatory in replying when somebody asks me a question, but that's normally because I'm thinking about what I'm going to say before I open my mouth, and that makes me seem more dilatory. Yeah, so dilatory tactics are very often something you see in politics. You want you want the time to run out. So enough. Let's see, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something formal. And let's see, this comes from Old French dilatoire, which has the same idea, from Latin dilatorius, putting off, from dilator, somebody who delays, or a dilatory person. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Dilatorily.